Hello, friends. I'm back again. Do you know what controls your mood, growth, sleep, hunger, and even love? The answer is hormones. These magical messengers are the reason behind your body's day to day activities. Let's explore the fascinating world of human hormones. Hormones control mood, growth, sleep, hunger, and even love. They are powerful chemical messengers in our body. They are secreted by the endocrine glands directly into the blood. Hormones are the chemical messengers secreted by endocrine glands. They travel through blood to the target organs. They regulate metabolism, growth, reproduction, mood, etc. They are responsible for the growth of the overall human body. The first one and the most important one is the pituitary gland. It is located near the brain. It produces the hormone, growth hormone, TSH, FSH, LH. It controls the other endocrine glands. That's why it is also called as the master gland, as it controls all the glands. The next one in the list is the thyroid gland. It is also one of the most important glands. It is located in the neck. It produces the hormone thyroxine. It controls the metabolism and the heart rate. Excess of thyroxine causes hyper and lower causes hypothyroidism. The next ones are the adrenal glands. They are located on the top of the kidneys. They produce adrenaline, which functions as the emergency response, fight or flight. It increases heartbeat and blood flow. Fight or flight means if, for example, if a dog is behind you, either you are going to fight with the dog or you are going to run away from the dog. So all this is because of the adrenaline hormone secreted by the adrenaline gland. Now, pancreas is also one of the most important glands in our body. It is located behind the stomach. It secretes the hormones insulin and glucagon. It controls the blood sugar levels. Imbalance leads to diabetes. Diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus. There are two types of diabetes, so it leads to diabetes mellitus. Next are the male and the female reproductive hormones, which are the testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, etc. So, male reproductive system is the testes, which develops male secondary sexual characteristics, and the female are the ovaries. So, it secretes estrogen, which is responsible for female secondary sexual characters. Progesterone is responsible for regulating the menstrual cycle in females and is also one of the important hormones for the pregnancy, for a female to be pregnant. Most important one is the hypothalamus, which is located at the base of the brain. It links the nervous system to the endocrine system. It produces hormones that control the pituitary gland. It is also responsible for the control of body temperature, urge of eating, drinking. Too little of the growth hormone is called as the dwarfism. It is the deficiency of growth hormone in the human body. Hypersecretion of growth hormone leads to abnormal condition known as gigantism. Goiter. In goiter, iodine in diet is deficient. It is characterized by a swollen neck. In diabetes mellitus, there is reduced insulin by the beta cells of pancreas. This leads to sugar accumulation in the body. So now let's have a quick recap. Hormones are the vital messengers. They are secreted by endocrine glands. They affect specific target organs, and balanced hormones is healthy body. So hormones might be tiny, but their impact is huge. So if you like the topic, just share, subscribe for Supriya Scholar Studio. Thank you.